coverage of Interop is brought to you by HP Networking. Change the rules to enable the cloud. Also brought to you by Citrix and GoToMeeting. Go over to GoToMeeting.com, click the Try It Free Now button, and enter in the word podcast for a 30-day free trial. And also Telestream and Wirecast. Produce your show straight from your computer right to the internet with Wirecast. Geekazine is a proud member of the TechPodcast.com network. If it's tech, it's here.
Continuing coverage of Interop, Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine Tech Podcast Network. We're down here in the back of Interop where the cool technology is. We got Luis here. Luis, how old are you?
18 years old.
You're 18. You're still going to high school, right?
Yeah, I'm a senior student.
Senior student. You want to go to college, so you decide, well, I'm going to get myself some enterprise going, so I can make some money, so I can go to college, right?
Yeah, that's the plan.
So you developed these glasses. Tell us a little bit about what you're wearing.
Well, these glasses are they hold some electrodes. The thing is that I'm using electroculography, which is a technique used in the biomedical field, and the glasses gives a more comfortable interface for the user, so they can interact with the computer using eye movements. So the electrodes are in the glasses senses the voltages in the eyes, and I can play around with those voltages and use that information to detect eye movements, so I can interact with the computer.
Definitely. And so you have the prototype set up right here that basically what happens is, so if you're looking at a screen, like for instance the screen that's shown right here, you can actually move around, make movements from the computer.
That's right. So I can show it to you in real time, and you can check out how it works. So the thing is that I'm using left and right movements, and I'm adjusting the glasses right now. So as you can see on the software here on the screen, this is the software I'm controlling right now. Okay. So I'm basically trying to write something using just the eyes. Let me put this again. So I can write something just with eye movements. This is an excellent approach for people with disabilities, to overcome communication obstacles. So the software works like this. I move this arrow down using left movements, so I can choose the box. Then when I have the box selected, I move the eye to the right, and I can change the letter. So let's say if I want an L, I can stop. The letter will automatically be chosen for a second delay, and that's how the basic of how this project works.
So what you're doing is you're looking for funding so you can either build this or sell this to a company that would want to go further with this, right?
Yeah, basically, since this is an excellent approach to help people with disabilities, at a very inexpensive price compared to other technologies, this is a very cheap solution. So
it looks like you're playing Pong on this one.
Yeah, that's one of my oldest projects, which was a video game system. And I'm actually controlling the paddle with the eyes. Okay. And it shows how versatile is this project. It can be used in many other applications. As you can see in the video, I'm just moving the eyes and move the paddle as well. Okay. And I used to paste those electrodes in the skin, but I decided to make the glasses so I can have a more comfortable user interface.
So where do people go for more information for you?
Well, I got a website, which is intelsat.com, which is the name of my company, and Intelsat.
Intelsat.com. All right. Well, thank you very much for your time. Nice suit too. I like that. So, for the Tech Podcast Network, I'm gonna play some Pong here. So Jeffrey Powers here. Thanks for watching.
Geekazine coverage of Interop is brought to you by HP Networking. Change the rules to enable the cloud. Also brought to you by Citrix and GoToMeeting. Go over to GoToMeeting.com, click the Try It Free Now button, and enter in the word podcast for a 30-day free trial. And also Telestream and Wirecast. Produce your show straight from your computer right to the internet with Wirecast. Geekazine is a proud member of the TechPodcast.com network. If it's tech, it's here.